In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of the Albert app, the all-in-one finance app that promises to help you budget, save, invest, and even get a quick cash advance when life springs a surprise on you. Yes, your car needs a muffler again. So if you're wondering whether Albert is worth downloading in 2025, let's dig in. First up, what I like about it. Albert brings together a lot of financial tools in one place. Banking-style features, automatic savings suggestions, investing tools, and one of its standout features, Instant Advance. If you qualify, you can borrow a small amount, up to a few $100s, with no interest and no late fees. The app claims it's automatic and fast. The interface is clean, beginner-friendly, and good if you want something that simplifies finances instead of confusing you. Also, it offers budgeting alerts, invests your money in low-cost portfolios, and tracks your spending habits in ways that make you feel a little smarter and maybe more adult about your money. Now the but part, because there always is one. To access many of Albert's more advanced features, including that instant cash advance, you'll need a monthly subscription. The app charges somewhere in the ballpark of $11.99 to $29.99 per month after a free trial, depending on your region and features. That might feel steep if you're only investing a small amount. Also, while the Instant Advance feature is interesting, the amount available varies and approval depends on account history, so it's not guaranteed. Another major caveat, cancellation and account closure seem to be a frequent pain point, with many user complaints about difficulties stopping the subscription or getting transfers out. Some users report repeated withdrawals, unclear notifications, or slow support responses. So while it seems legit, its user experience in certain areas is inconsistent. Here's who I think the Albert app is best for. If you're fairly new to managing money, want a single app to help you see everything, spending, savings, investing, and you're okay paying a monthly fee for convenience and instant features, Albert could be a good fit. But if you're keen to keep fees ultra low, want full control over every dollar, or you're investing large amounts anyway, so the fee becomes a big percentage, then there may be better alternatives out there. My verdict, Albert delivers a lot of valuable features under one roof and can definitely help you get more organized, save more automatically, and access cash unexpectedly without the payday loan horror. But you'll want to go in with your eyes open, know the fee structure, know that instant advances might come with conditions, and be prepared to monitor the app's behavior closely. In short, good tool, useful for many, but not a one-size-perfect solution. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the Albert app or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more honest and easy-to-understand reviews of finance apps and tools.